Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made my pineapple sorrel glazed ham in the oven. So stick around. So I'm going to start off with this ham that I got from Walmart. I did wash and clean it up a bit. Then I'm going to add it to my baking tin and added some foil paper over it. With ham, it already has a smoke flavor, so you don't have to season it. So I'm then going to heat my oven on 370 degrees. That cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes. For my sauce, I heated my pot and then I'm going to add 1 cup of pineapple juice. I then going to add about another cup of sorrel juice. And by the way, this is the unsweetened version. It's not sweetened as yet. For some reason, it became purple. But then I added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then I added my season paste. The ingredients for this season paste is listed in the description below. I'm going to use a whisk and stir that. I then added a squeeze of lime. And I just added a little bit of cornstarch mixed with some water just to thicken it up a bit. After taking the ham out the pot, I then went ahead and sliced it up. I did cut the skin off because for me, the texture of the skin wasn't what I liked. So I cleaned it up again. This is optional. If you like the skin, you can leave the skin on. It doesn't make a big difference. It's all based on preference. After cleaning off the ham, I then added some sauce. I added a generous amount of sauce, and after I added it back to the oven on boil on 500 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I took it out and I added my pineapple slices. I used a toothpick to secure the pineapples on the ham, and then I went ahead and put some more sauce on it. I basted it very generously because the sauce was very tasty, and then I added it back to the oven on boil for another 15 minutes, and this is how it came out. Guys, this recipe was so good. I hope you try. And once again, please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to get more recipes. Once again, I hope you try this recipe. Bye.